Hey, so we're at home. This is for anyone who followed the previous video on my lovely dog Indy and whether her condition is apparent. So, we'll just zoom down, see, I give her a lovely bone. Oh, she's loving that. What a nicest beef bone in history, that one. Oh, she's got a bit of it off. Oh, yeah, that's very good, isn't it? But I give her a bone because her tummy is getting bigger every day. Look at the size of it now. She looks like a blooming wild boar or something. Oh, piglet rather. But oh yeah, no, and she's been so into her food, right? I gave her the bone. Other little dog, Bugs. This is how far away he's sitting because of it. Yeah, he's way over there in the corner. He's got his own little bit, but he isn't going anywhere near her. And it's pretty undeniable now, isn't it, girl? Look at the size of the tummy. Yes, oh, the poor girl. Hey, all right, done with that bit. Back to that bit. Yeah, obsessed with the food. Don't really mind about fuss. Oh, you can see how rotund she is there. The size of her. Oh, the big girl. Oh, I know. I took her for a run earlier. Well, it's not really a run anymore. It's more of a waddle. But yeah, bless her. So, yeah, I'll be back next week. And then I'm going to show you the details you probably don't want to know when the puppies are born and everything like that. I'm going to put it all on camera. So, hope you enjoy it.